Screen recording on your new MacBook Neo is super easy. Let me show you 2 simple ways to do it. First method, use QuickTime Player. Open Spotlight Search. Then type QuickTime Player and open it. You might not see anything on the screen, and that's totally normal. Just look down at the dock, right-click the QuickTime icon, and choose New Screen Recording. Now you'll see a recording toolbar. From here, you can choose to record your entire screen. If you want to enable the microphone from your Mac, go to Options and turn on the MacBook microphone. Once you're ready, hit record and you're good to go. You can also record a specific window. Just open the window you want to record, then open the recorder and select the option to record the selected window. Once you choose it, it will record only that window. And the last option is to record a specific portion of your screen. Just select that option, choose the area, and start recording. Now for the second method, and the quick one. Just press Shift plus Command plus 5 on your keyboard. This will instantly bring up the same screen recording toolbar. Choose your recording option, then click Record to start. When you're done, click the small stop icon at the top of your screen and your recording will be automatically saved to your desktop. And that's it, quick and easy ways to screen record on your MacBook.